Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can edit your message in Messenger, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to edit your message in Messenger, it's actually pretty easy. But before I show you how, let me send a message that we will edit first. So now that I've sent the message, I will now show you how you can edit this. So to edit it, first, long press the message. After long pressing the message, you will now be able to see the edit option right here. But there will be some circumstances where you won't be able to see the edit option right here. So if you can't see it right here, just go tap more, then you will be able to see it. So now that you've seen the edit option, you can now tap it. Then after that, you can now edit the message. And once you're done editing your message, you can now tap the check button to save your edit. And after that, it's done. Your message will now be edited. By the way guys, you can only edit your message within 15 minutes after sending it, so if 15 minutes have already passed after you send the message, you won't be able to edit it anymore. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.